Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2015 Ford Fusion. Stock number is A7828. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and a nice chrome grille. A look down the passenger side, you have alloy wheels. Looking at the tread on the tires. Inside, cloth interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side, then we're going to swing around to the back end. You have rear backup sensors and a camera on the back. Taking a look in the trunk now. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Taking a look inside now. You have cruise, audio, and Bluetooth controls. Full stereo, that includes a CD player. Dual climate control, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Fusion on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more can be found at holidayautomotive.com.